Dismount na. Dismount na. Nangkakatch na, gagi.
Ready na yan, fight na yan, live na yan, live na yan.
Live.
Check.
Food check boys, food check. Double OC, okay? Yo, come west. It's open world for them. Dumodi pa ako, baka ma-choke yung ano natin eh. Come northwest.
Naglalakad lang sila, dismounted. Malayo yan.
Okay, ready DPS behind the wall, okay? Your mobs, nice one. Okay. Yo, GA setup MC, pagka andito lumapit sila sa H, okay?
Saan takbo natin dito, Tiro? Dito sa kabilang choke. Sa kabilang high hill.
West, northwest.
Sige.
Okay. Two screen.
Elect-
Hideout na.
Okay. Ready yan GA shallow.
Ito, Ter, tatlo.
Tangina mo, layo niyan! Yo, pa GA setup Kurobushi, now. Wait. Yo boys, be ready in the isa, okay? Yo, look southwest, boys. Look southwest, engage southwest in 3, 2, 1, southwest behind the wall. Tangin mo! Saka pa! Bobo! Northwest, come northwest!
Ano yung
May tama mo.
SDA?
Tulog. Sorry.
West, come north. Downhill, quickly, get your cooldown. Quickly, just ignore, get your cooldown. Cooldown.
Bomb squad south.
Okay, come north. Northwest a little bit. Come west now, come west. Yo, cleanse. Come west. Be ready, you're gonna turn, boys. Be ready, okay? Yo, push them on the choke. Yo, normal this attack, boys. Look southeast DPS, walk south DPS, and behind the wall, southeast, behind the wall, 3, 2, 1, behind the wall, southwest. Nice one.
Yeah, good.
Night armor, okay, keep going southwest. Southwest. We need help here in front plants at least. Okay. Keep going. They're just gonna bedrock us. See, they're fucking stupid. Southeast. Southwest. There's a downhill southwest, boys. Yo, boys, be ready north.
Steady ka na.
Okay. Yo, boys, shallow on me. Wait. Come southeast, DPS. Come southeast, DPS. Yo, boys, be ready. Shallow on me in 3. No. Wait. Hold here. DPS, get your cooldown. Yo, boys, behind the wall, okay. Okay, keep on notice a little bit. Yo, boy, wait, hold. Yo, boys, wait. Shallow on me in 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me. Come notice. Go, quickly. Cleanse, we have a lot of cleanse. You're gonna cleanse them. Come notice. Northwest. Yo, normal attack this guy, normal attack them. Northwest. Come northwest while you're walking. See, normal attack, he don't have the healer. Oh, see? Northwest. Come northwest. Come on, quickly. Boys, wait. Southeast, look east, engaging east in 3, 2, 1, east. Keep on northwest. Get your cooldown, Nice push, keep pushing them. West now, hard west, okay? Hard west. Hard west.
Nag-shallow na.
Northwest, okay lang.
Need help shallow.
Silang. Yo, help. Yo, look, wait.
We good.
Keep on west. Northwest. Yo, bomb squad, northwest, boys. Be ready, engaging northwest in 3, 2, 1, northwest. Keep on north. No, hard north. Oh, hold north. Hard north, boys. Northwest, downhill northwest, boys. Bedrock him. Normal attack them. Get your cooldown. 9 seconds, we get engaged, okay? Keep walking. Walk with the roll jacket. Keep walking southwest, boys. Behind the wall, southwest. Look east. Southwest DPS, Southwest. Look east. Engaging east in 3, 2, 1. East behind the wall, boys. East behind the wall. Sige, keep on southwest. Proboshi, ba't ba andyan ka? Bobo ka din eh. GA ka, range ka, tanga. Up southwest. Tangin ng GA yan, range.
Katabi ka healer west mo.
Sige lang. Wala pa akong engage. Yo, boss, keep on west. Yo, perma engage, be ready, Keep on west. West. Perma engage in the east in 3, 2, 1. West. I mean, west. Keep on west. This is artillery. Southwest. We're gonna get a breather a little bit, okay? Southwest. We get a breather. Go to the terrace, southwest. Go to the terrace. South, 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 south. Every DPS south. Come on, south, 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 south. Do not go inside fully in the terrace. Come south, come south, come southeast, come southeast. DPS. Go. Take space, southwest. Come on, walk south, walk south. Oh, they're engaging, they're engaging. Heal, 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 heal. Boys, boys, DPS, come southeast, boys. Be ready. East, deep in 3, 2, 1. East, 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 east. Keep on southwest, southwest. Go to the terrace, go to the terrace, go to the terrace. Go to the terrace, we need to stabilize. We're broken, we're broken, we're broken. Go to the terrace, go to the terrace real quick. Nice one. We stabilize, we stabilize. Come west, come west, come west. Stabilize, real quick. Stabilize. Let them siege a little bit. We stabilize, I'm gonna often hold them, okay?
Pulling box sila. May engage ka. Pulling box.
Okay. Boys, in shop, let's go. Yo pa GA Northeast. GA Northeast now. Boys, in the GA in 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Nice one. Get your cooldown, get your cooldown.
May tao pala sa south. Joke lang.
It's okay. Just go to the terrace. Just go to the terrace a little bit, okay? We don't have a lot of choke here. Come north, come north, come north, come north, come north. Get your cooldown, 7 seconds. Yo, normal attack this guy.
3.
Be ready, GA setup, okay? Yo, boy. Nice one, nice one, nice one, nice one. Boys, be ready in the east. Upper GA in 3. No, don't. Yo, northeast in 3, 2, 1. Northeast. Come southwest.
Huwag mong pasilin
Southwest.
rat.
Come southwest. We're gonna do open world, ah.
Okay, holding.
Let them hold. Clear mobs.
Okay, going northeast. Open world now.
Clear mobs.
Going north. Hard na.
Okay.
Okay,
Ano?
downhill.
Ito mga bow. Tangina nyo, mga overextenders. Ano kala nyo ngayon lang kayo nag-Albion? Yo, come notice.
Bulok internet ata, hindi ata overextend.
Hindi, si G-Yax yun eh.
Yan, bobo talaga. Yung kasi
Going northeast.
Kag tinulungan ko yung ano, yung low puta. Wala din.
Dito lang, apil. Dito lang, apil.
Yo, wait, behind. Okay.
East side.
Yo, pa GA shallow. Okay, kamas. Nice cleanse. Yo, boys, look southeast. No, wait. Come north. Be ready. North. North, and then look east. DPS. Behind the wall, northeast in 3,
nag-engage na sila.
1. Behind the wall. Nice one, good shit. Keep on north. We meet each other north. Keep on north. Keep walking north. Heal me behind the wall. Keep on north. Keep walking north, boys. Sino yung mga DPS dyan? Keep walking north.
Naiiwan na itong mga nag-GG sa'yo. Wala nang kasama to.
Okay, sige lang. 8 seconds. Cooldown ready.
Yeah, get
Yo,
ready.
look south. Yo. Walk south. Yo. Nice, GA boys. South. Ano? Come north. Okay lang. Keep on north.
Dropping west.
Cleanse.
Looking sila.
Bedrock them.
Nag-miss na.
Yo, boys, in the west. Engaging the west in 3, 2, 1. In the west. Nice one. Keep going downhill. Northeast.
Focus.
Upper pots. Come north. Oh, sige, go east. Commit east. Yo, we need heal, cleanse here at the back. Cleanse back. Yo, cleanse the back line, please. Nice one, good shit. Stabilize here, get your cooldown. May cooldown na. Heal your Bane.
Ready.
Yo, DPS come south. Look west, behind the wall, okay. Yo, no, west. Do west in 3, 2, 1. Can me? Nice one, good shit. Come notice. Fuck. No, come south. No, west. East. Sorry, east.
Apil sila, holding apil.
Oh, sige, let them hold. Open world natin sila. This is a good practice for us, okay?
Uy, yung bato.
Come southeast. Yo, look southwest, be ready, ah.
Wala ko.
Okay. Sa west, ang liit na ng blob nila. Yan sila, naubos sila. Paying farm to.
Hindi, nagpapakait ng Tutor. Magre-regroup. Re-regroup yan. Andito.
Sige, kahit may rigis sila, parang sa'yo.
To screen.
Yo, kamuas. But be ready, shallow engage siya. GA, shallow.
Going northeast. Up.
Night helmet ako sa bawat engage natin. Night helmet. Asan sila?
Okay, holding here. Uphill.
Okay.
Southeast mo. Down na sila, okay?
I'm south
Hindi,
is.
ikot na return pa out ng trigger. Level 4 na lang sila.
Level 4 na sila ka.
One screen.
Wait, sorry. Yo, clear mobs. Yo, be
May
ready,
na-DC
GA.
na yung Sags mo pa din. Southwest mo.
Sige. Yo, come not a little bit.
Inching up sila.
Yo, night helmet. Come northwest, and then look southwest, boys, be ready. Come northwest, west, uphill, and then look east, okay? Oh, they know how to stay up the walls now, oh! Yo, boys, be ready on the choke, Be ready on the choke, boys, on me in 3. No, we cancel. Normal attack din, these people, oh. Yo, boys, be ready on the choke, be ready on the choke. Cleanse, isang cleanse lang yan, wala na yan. Yo boys, be ready. Be ready, just QW this ball. Boys, on the choke, in 3, 2, 1. Going south. South.
Ako muna night armor ako.
Silence kami.
Ito yung mga cheater. Ito tayo.
Okay, mga cheater, sige lang. Yo, help backline, cleanse. Okay, nice one. Keep bedrock then. Keep on south.
Fake lang yan, yung fake na yan.
Keep on south. Keep on south, boys. Keep on south. Get your cooldown.
Looking now.
Sige, night helmet. Yo, pats. Keep on south. Man Sky, heal. You're a healer. Keep on south. Keep walking south. Go up hill west. Keep on south. Just commit south. If you're already here. We meet southwest. Push them. Yo, boys, ready. Wait. Come west. Yo, do perma fake on me in 3, 2, 1. Perma fake kasi yung perma ko. Tagal. Come west. Stop. Kaya tama, west. Go downhill. Night helmet, nice one. Hilang. Yo, keep on west. West. Just hold. Boys, look southeast. Engage southeast in 3, 2, 1. On this guy. Okay, keep on west. Get your cooldown. Wala nang ano yan, ha. Get your cooldown. Aggressive yan. It's aggressive. Okay, let me know your cooldown, ha. Rimebreaker goods.
Napetra ko, Demis.
Yo, boys, look. Wait, inside of us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest, inside. Okay, keep on west. Sige lang. Keep on west. Nice one, get your cooldown.
Hindi makalusot yan. Yo, Mams, kalusot. Nice.
Okay, DPS come north. Oh, yo, GA. Yo, in the northeast. The choke in 3, 2, 1. Atangin na, naklik yung kabila kong screen.
Sige lang. Okay, balik na.
Come south. We don't go to the ferry. Come south. Get your cooldown.
May carping siya.
Okay. Yo, come north. Come on. Quickly, demounting. I need GA here. Alright.
Nakakatch ako.
Nice one. Sige lang. Hold pa, stand. Yo, boys, after GA in 3, 2, 1. Patay. Northwest.
Dig, nice up to.
Come northeast. Everyone northeast. Northeast, hug the wall. Northeast, hug the wall. Nice one. We're gonna keep the fight going on. Time farm this!
Di going east.
Oh, let go east. Come southeast.
Perma.
Level 6 na lang sila.
Yo, tell them, go rigir. We need more.
Level gear sila. Level 4 kanina yan.
Turog ka tiro. Linisin mo to.
Okay lang. Sino may Diego? Si Giax tsaka si ano to, diba?
Kasi ano, nagkakait ka sa ano, sa carry.
Yo, hold you.
Ano kasi yun.
So patay nyo ano eh. Yo, come north. Pa-G ako ng mga cheater, engaging on me.
Di
Wait.
dapat pa kami ng 100
West
yun
in
eh.
3, 2, 1. West. Come north. Come north.
Yoko, oy, sabihan nyo to, IE, yung ano, si Linda yung...
Come southeast. Come southeast, yo guys,
Nice,
follow me,
guys.
oy.
Dagdag si Isa.
Oy. Southeast. Nadinig ako.
Pauwi ata to.
Lagi day lang tayo.
Kumukuha lang rigger siguro.
Yeah, mount up. We're gonna chase them on their map. Tama ba, maganda yun?
Okay,
Oo,
14
maganda yung
minutes.
map nila. Tara.
14 minutes pa tayo.
Come southeast.
Content yan.
See? They're chasing us like they're ex. We're so handsome.
Now we're chasing them.
Now,
Yeah.
Kahit kasi sa Terry.
Rookies, dan yung Agila.
Ayun o, sabi nila, white Terry daw.
Okay, sabihin mo, long pen arms. Laban.
bro, we're gonna fight in long open arms. Of course, we need breather. Tell them.
Sabi ng ano la, issue nila, Ter, sabi mo.
Fight
Nirigger sila.